Hello, my name is Patrick Desjardins, and today we will see our second riddle. How can you extract the generic type of a base class? As always, let's define some code to have a clearer idea of the solution. First, we need to create a generic base class. It means we need to use the less and greater sign with a generic type that we define using the letter T. The letter could be something else than T. We use T by convention. A detail that might escape even someone with experience is that we need to use the T in the class. Otherwise, we will have the aftermath of an unknown type. Second, we can define two classes that extend the base class with different generic ones, one string and one number. We can also create a third class that extends something that is not generic to see that it should not work. Third, let's find a solution to the riddle. We want to extract the type from the base class. When we have a base class, it means we need something to act on a condition on the type we are pulling. Then, we need something to extract the generic T type. The two main keywords for these purposes are extends and infer. The condition borrows the syntax with the extends keyword. We need to test if we are using the base class, if that is the case, to infer the generic type. Conditional in typing always use the keyword extends, with the question mark if the condition is true, and after the colon if the condition is false. In that case, our third example that extends objects instead of base class will return never. On the contrary, when the condition is true, we return the type I. The I is coming from the condition where we check for the class, the base class, and use infer I at the position where we use the T. The result is three types that have the T type of base class. The first one is a string, as expected, as well as the second that is a number. The third one is the never type because the condition is false. It is important to notice that the type can be something else than never if we specify a different kind of in the condition false side. For example, unknown in the demonstrated example. So the riddle is solved. The usage of conditional with extends and extraction of type with infer seal the deal of this riddle. Please consider subscribing and see you next time.